Leoda Bradshaw, the woman accused of orchestrating the murder of politician Phillip Paulwell's 10-month-old daughter Sarayah and her mother Toshyna Patterson, is returned to court on June 24 for plea and case management hearing. This after discussions aimed at securing a guilty plea failed to reach an agreement. Raquel Porter reports.
During Thursday's hearing, Bradshaw's legal team indicated that she was willing to plead guilty. Bradshaw, a former U.S. Navy officer, is charged alongside her cousin Roland Balfour, alleged triggerman David Smith. The charges counts of kidnapping and 2 counts of capital murder. However, Director of Public Prosecutions Claudette Thompson questioned exactly what lesser form limited in what it can accept. Attorney Deborah Martin said the matter first came before the court in October 2023. She said that in December 2024, she received instructions from her client to engage the Crown in plea discussions, and it was for the prosecution to determine whether a plea arrangement could be reached. Ms. Martin said she held discussions with the Crown, which indicated that Bradshaw's account was inconsistent with the statements from other witnesses and that it would only entertain discussions regarding a plea. She said the prosecution prepared a document in April outlining both the defense's and the Crown's case. The defense subsequently submitted supporting documents. Ms. Martin told the court that she spoke with the Crown on Wednesday seeking certainty on the matter. She argued that counts 1 and 2 of the indictment contain particulars that represents the central disagreement between the defense and the prosecution. According to Ms. Martin, the defense cannot plead to a charge if it does not accept the particulars. She added that the trial judge would ultimately have discretion to impose an appropriate sentence after hearing the evidence. Chief Justice Brian Sykes noted that there are different categories of murder and that no single approach applies to every case. He further stated that depending on the circumstances, a person who is accessory before or after the fact can be as culpable or even more culpable than someone present at the scene. Raquel Porter, reporting for TVJ News.